Hi everybody, it's Arlie Ray here at Kawamoto BMW here in Livermore, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the 2021 R18s that are here and Berlin built. Okay, the first arrival this last year was the R18 First Edition, and you've probably seen a lot of the specs on that, so I'm not going to go over those. You can look at a magazine or the internet and find all that stuff, okay? But the newest arrival is this bike here, the R18 Classic. And as you can see, it's abundantly different from this model. Some of the things that they've changed and added to this bike are really obvious, but for the most part, it is now a bagger, okay? So you see the left and right bag there. It also has floorboards now, a rounded and slash cut pipe. Very cool, very, very cool. All right, also the front end up here, a windscreen that is quickly removable right through here, driving lamps, okay, and in addition they've moved the turn signals underneath the driving lamps, so very, very cool for BMW to do this. In addition, there is a change in front tire. The front tire on the Classic is a little bit beefier than the First Edition. This is a 130, that's a 120. So it's a little bit more of a balloon tire in the cruiser bagger category, okay? Very cool, okay? So let's look at some other things. As far as the driving lamps go, where did they put that switch? Well, BMW has integrated the auxiliary light switch with the mode button switch gear. So very convenient, it's right there within reach, and I think it's awesome. So the next big question that most people have is, because of that pipe versus the First Edition's fishtail, does it sound different? Well, let's find out. We're going to take it outside and let you hear it. Okay, here we are everybody. This is going to be the sound test for y'all. First we're going to start this one. Okay, now we're going to try this one. Okay, so that's a little bit lower rumble than the other bike. It's a little bit different in tone, but if you can't hear it on this piece of equipment, in our video here, then come down and hear them live. The First Edition and the Classic, and if you want to, that's a demo. So you can come down here to Livermore. We're just off the 580 at Airway Boulevard and test ride it.